In this video we will show the ability to merge the tomogram and the tags. So let me load an already segmented volume. So this is the neck of a lamp. Let me just show you. The muscles. So this has been segmented. The muscles within the neck have been segmented and these are different tags. So using shift I can show you the tags, the value as well as the tags. So this is tag number 70, this is tag 40, 10, 55, 70, 10, 145 and so on. So if we have a look at the 3D preview, this is what we have here. So tags editor, if I turn off tag 0, then this is the segmented region. And now what I would like to do is I would like to combine the original tomogram along with the tag values. Now if you want to see the tag values in the 3D preview mode, then just hover over where you want to for the voxel that you want to see the tag value, and then press spacebar, and then you can see the tag value and whether it is visible, and then the voxel value and so on. So for example here, tag value 10, tag value 70, 145 and so on. So whenever you press spacebar, it will always show this information. It will show the coordinate of the voxel value or the intensity value, tag value, and whether it is visible or not. Okay, so what we would like to do is now extract, merge the two together, merge the tomographic data and the mask data. In order to do that, since we have only 8 bits, we would have to shrink the tomogram, and since our tag values range up to 145, so this one is the 145. So 145 is the largest tag value that we have. So what we will do is we will shift the tomogram, shrink and shift the tomogram such that it fits within say from 160 or 170 onwards. So in order to do that, let's calculate the scale factor. So we have only 255 values. So if we shrink it by factor of 0.5, then we have 127. So we can shift the tomogram to 128 and then further 127 values, but our mask value is top mask value is 145. So we have to put the tomogram beyond 150 or 160. So if we 0.424, so 160, that goes beyond. So if I take it, okay, so I can use this one 160. So I can shift the tomogram to start at 160. So minimum voxel intensity now will be 160 for the tomogram, and then it will go up to 255. So 0.35. If I start with 160, if I start with 170, just no space. Okay, so let's start at 170 and scale it by a factor of 0.3. Okay, so this is the new option. So extract tagged region. We want to extract all the tags, and now what we want to do is go to the last one here, tomogram plus tags. So we want to merge the tomogram. So these are that's the original tomogram, and then that's the painted region. We would like to merge these two together. So tomogram plus tags, and then this is the scale factor. So we calculated the scale factor as 0.3 and then the shift as 170. So 0.3 and 170. This is what our tomogram will be. It will, so the histogram for that tomogram will look like it is shrunk. Now the zero value in tomogram will be 170 because it is shifted by 170, and then the maximum value will be 255. And for the tags, now the tag values will be copied as they are. So tag value 10 will appear as voxel intensity, voxels with intensity 10 within that tagged region. But what we can also do is we can keep some semblance of grayscale intensities for the tagged region. So so for every tag value, we again can have the width for the tag. So all the voxels within a particular for a particular tag, we will find minimum and maximum voxel values and then scale them according to the tag width. So in this case we have given tag width as 10, which means, for example, if our tag is say 20, for example, then all the voxels which are tagged 20 will be fit into intensities 20 to 30. So because the tag width is 10, so the minimum voxel intensity within that tagged region will be set to 20, and then the maximum will be set to 30. Similarly, if you have a tagged region tagged with say 145, and if we have tag width tag width as 10, then all the voxels which are tagged as 145, then according to their grayscale values, you will see them from 145 to 155 and so on. So this is the way in which I merge tags and tomogram. So let's give a test. Done. So let me start Drishti and let me show you the original volume. So this is how the original volume looks like. So this is how the original volume looks like, and this is the histogram for that. And let me load the newly generated merged volume. Now you can see the difference here in the two histograms here. So that is where our tomogram is. We have shifted that, and this is where we have the tags. So if I bring it here, press